Good afternoon, everybody. Just going back on here, and this is not Rocky. Remember, everybody keeps saying Rocky, but this ain't Rocky. Rocky's so much nicer. I'm gonna have me a sit down in this chair and see how this reaction goes. Yeah, about as good as can be expected, I reckon. He grabs it and runs. So, got one more cracker. I'll wait till he comes back for another one. So I'll pause it till I see him moving this way. Want to say shout out to Bobby Creed. Saw him in the store today. Says he enjoys watching these raccoon videos, and I've heard from a lot of other people that don't leave a comment necessarily, but y'all like watching this crazy raccoon, so I enjoy feeding it. I'll be back in a minute. Actually, that didn't take long at all. Yeah, still ain't got bit yet.